Hello and welcome to another stream. Here we are live again, and I've got to say I'm really enjoying this. Now, I'd like to say a big welcome to 2021 because hopefully we're going to have a way better year than we have done in 2020 in terms of this dreaded virus. Because I tell you something, the days just seem to just fly by, but it's almost like that my life is on standstill. I mean, we're in the winter here in the UK, it's always dark and it's really miserable, it's really cold outside, and I just can't wait for the summer and for this virus to be gone so that we can just get on with our lives, and I really can't wait for that. Oh, here he is. What are you doing, Ollie? Here's Ollie now. He's crawling in. He's crawling into the office. Right, are you going to stand up, Ollie, and say hello to everyone?
I'll go get a chair.
All right, then, go and get your chair. He's going to go and get a chair. Right. He's going to go and get a chair. So welcome to my channel. If you don't know who I am, I'm Michael Coates, and I'm the creator and founder of thesewingguru.com. Now, I'm a bespoke tailor, and I've been one for over 30 years now. I've got this website which teaches you how to sew and tailor, and it teaches you in the best possible way. And the best thing is that we've got a great offer on at the moment to join the Sewing Guru. So if you want to join, if you're interested in joining, have a look at the offer. We've got a link there in the description of this video. There's a link there, or if you want more information, just email us. We'll go through with all that in a moment, but here's Ollie, look. Are you going to say hello, Ollie?
Hello.
No, don't stand on there, Ollie. I know what he's going to go and do. He's going to stand on that. You sit there, Ollie, and look fantastic. You just sit there. Now look at this here. This is really cool. This is a bit different. It's like a V, but it's actually shaped like a V. And it's really, really cool. There's a little button there, and it's really, really smart. I love that shirt. It's really, really different shirt. It's great. Are you going to stand up anyway? You see, the thing is, Ollie, it's a bit dangerous when you stand up like that, isn't it?
Yeah.
And yet here he is standing up. You can tell them, but they won't take any notice, I tell you. Anyway, so if you like us, please like us. Please share us on Facebook. And also, if you want to be notified every time we do go live, just click the link that says receive all live notifications. And Facebook will then send you a notification that we're live and you can watch us live. Right, what are you doing, Ollie? Right, do you want to sit down normally? Right, look, you're knocking all that over. Right, just sit down normally. That's it. Now, last time we were live, we had all like Christmas things behind us. We had the Christmas rat, and we had Sydney the snowman. The Christmas rat was a big sort of ornamental kind of bear thing that we've got, which we display every year at Christmas, and he was there. He's gone now, of course. Christmas time's gone, but we've just got a standard setup now. What are you doing, Ollie? Right, are you looking for the Christmas rat? He's gone, hasn't he? Christmas is gone. Did you have a great Christmas, Ollie?
Yeah, I saw Santa.
Did you see Santa?
Yeah, I saw him.
Did you?
Yeah, and then they get loads of presents.
Oh, you got lots of presents, I know.
Yeah, you.
Yeah, brilliant time, isn't it, Ollie?
And then you got some presents, and
I did.
Mummy.
Yes, yeah.
And I got some.
Yeah, I did. Yeah. Well, actually, I've got those pop figures there.
Yeah.
There's Crockett and Tubbs from Miami Vice. Now,
Yeah.
they are what's basically got the Sewing Guru started, from my passion into sewing and tailoring. I don't know if you people of the 80s remember Miami Vice, but that's what really set me off into sewing and the world of sewing and tailoring. So they mean a lot to me. If it wasn't for that show, I would have never started sewing in the Sewing Guru. I did. I got them for Christmas, so they do mean a lot. They're just like little pop figures, but they mean a lot. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a look at this offer we've got at the moment. So what we're going to do is we're going to switch screens. Hang on, let me have a look. Here we go. So you can see the internet there. Now, as you can see here, this is the offer. And as you can see, we have a 6 months option here for $39.99. and we have a full 12 months option, so a full year there for $59.99. Now I will show you on the main site. Here's the main site. So if we go to the sign up page, we have here you got a 6 months option here, right? And then the main price for that is $92. And for the 12 months option, we'll go right to the bottom. The 12 months option, here we are. The 12 months option is $142. Whereas if I click back to the deal, $59.99 for the 12 months and $39.99 for the 6 months. So what a great deal that is. Isn't that a fantastic deal? And it is full access to the Sewing Guru. It's not restricted in any way whatsoever. You have full access to the Sewing Guru. And we'll show you what you get, very briefly, what you actually get as a full member of the site itself. So we're going to go back. Hang on, I'll just get this ready. Right, so this is the main site itself. And when you log in, you log in here, log in. And what happens is you log into the main members area. So it's like, hello, Michael, or whoever you are. If you're going to join it, say your name there. And as you can see, look at this content. All of these here are a link to different collections. We have the beginners section here, the sewing machine course, the beginners sewing course, and then we've got advanced lessons. And these are big courses. We've got 10 complete lessons here with the sewing machine, all about the sewing machine. We've got a full beginners course there, which eases you into sewing, and then we've got advanced lessons when you want to advance from the beginners course. And then what will happen is it will take you over to the full collections. So if I click into one, say the gents trousers extended collection, look at this. There is 30 videos there, all about how to make a pair of gents trousers. And it is full step-by-step video, so there is nothing left out. Now we also have a massive clothing alteration section here. We've got a pet wear section here, and then we have a new crafting section here as well, sewing crafts. And if I click into there, you've got all of these different sewing crafts. So it's a massive website, and it really is worth joining. There is literally hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of hours of worth of sewing there. Sewing information. And not only that, if you are stuck and there's not a video there that you're looking for, which is probably highly unlikely, to be fair, if there's not a video there, you can email us and we will send you a reply with in-depth information of your question. Okay, now we've got a lot of questions about dresses at the moment, so we're sending in-depth messages back of how to create a dress. So like I say, if it's not there, you know, you can email us any question relating to sewing and tailoring, crafting or anything like that, machine embroidery, you know, anything like that, email us and we will get back to you if it's not on the site, or if you're stuck, or if you just need some general advice. You know, it's all there. It really is, and it's all included with a full membership, which is that offer. So if you're interested, get yourself in there, because these offers are only temporary. We just don't know when we're going to remove it, but it could be at any day. And you know, get yourself in there, and it's a massive reduction. And I tell you something else, what's so brilliant about this offer, I'm just going to go back and just show you the offer. What's fantastic about this offer is, say if you join for a full year for $59.99, this is a recurring membership, which means that it recurs every year. So you get charged every 12 months for this membership. Now if you pay the $59.99, the next year, if you keep it going, because you can cancel at any time, if you keep it going, it won't go up to the $142 a year, $142. It will stay at $59.99. Now we do have the membership, which is $22 per month. So if you were to pay $22 per month for an entire year, it's $264. So look at that saving. It is massive. It really is. And it's a great offer. It really is. So if you're interested in joining, get yourself in there. Now the site as well is now 11 years old. So we are quite an established website. And there isn't many websites like this one, if at all, to be fair, which really goes in depth like we do, and the amount as well of videos. And not only that, the price. You cannot beat the price. You cannot go and get a physical class for the same price as we have on the website. You just can't. And not only that, you learn a lot more from us with a physical class, because believe me, I've been there and I've done it all. And I know with physical classes, I know that you have the social aspect side, but with a physical class, you do not have that 24/7 where you can dip into a video or ask the teacher a question, because if the class is not on, then it's not on, is it? So, you know, you've always got that help. We're there all the time, and you just can't have that with a physical class. And you don't actually learn a lot. You only learn one particular thing, and also as well, a lot of things that I have wanted to know and learn about certain things in the industry. People just don't know, and it's taken me years and years and years to figure out how to do it, find out how to do it, and people simply just don't know in these classes, these standard sewing classes. You know, so it's a great website, and like I say, I've seen everything. I've been there and I've done it all. I've seen how garments are created and manufactured in factories. I've seen it all. So you can get a lot of good advice from the sewing gurus, from us as well. So, you know, if you're interested, please join. And you won't be disappointed. You really won't be. So thanks for watching. And we will see you again very soon. I will see you again. So bye for now. Bye. And remember, take advantage of this offer. You won't be disappointed. Take advantage.